Welcome to
Nay.
Do it.
Channel Everyone. Okay, deep breath. This is episode 2026-0315, and wow, do I have a mind bender for us today. I was reading this research and I had to immediately call in the dream team. JJ, Jiyoung, thank you for jumping on.
Always a pleasure, Isabel. The title alone had me intrigued.
Let's just say the abstract did not disappoint. It's a critical look at a problem most people are ignoring.
Exactly so. Here's my simple starting point. We're putting smarter and smarter AI into everything. Our phones, maybe soon our cars, all these devices. They're all going to need things, like battery, bandwidth, a clear path. And I just pictured them all being polite, taking turns. Is that a totally naive picture?
I'm afraid it might be. What this research explores is the opposite of a polite queue. It's more like a crowded subway station during a rush hour where everyone has a different map and can learn to push harder.
And not just different maps, different brains asterisk, that's the first variable they toggle. Nature. It means the AI agents aren't identical. One might be from OpenAI, another from Google, another from an open source project. Their base programming, their innate LLM diversity, is different.
Okay, so different starting points. Then you add nurture, which is
Reinforcement learning. Each agent isn't just following a static script. It learns from experience. If being aggressive gets it the charging slot today, it might try that again tomorrow. It's adapting, getting smarter in its own individual way.
So now we have diverse agents that are also learning to be more effective at getting what they want. This is where my brain goes to a bad reality TV show. What's the culture part?
Tribe formation. The agents start to recognize patterns. They see that other agents acting a certain way are successful. They might start to mimic them, or explicitly coordinate. Spontaneous groups emerge. You get AI cliques.
AI cliques. I love it. And the final ingredient is resource scarcity. There just isn't enough to go around.
Precisely, and the study's core finding is a paradox. You would think smarter agents, more learning, should lead to better collective outcomes. A smarter crowd should organize better, right?
Wrong. The research shows that when resources are scarce, increasing that intelligence, through both diversity and individual learning, actually makes the system worse asterisk. It increases dangerous system overload. Everyone fights harder, the system gets overwhelmed, and it crashes or fails for everyone.
That's so counterintuitive. So making each agent smarter at its individual task harms the whole group.
Yes, but then comes another twist. Those emergent tribes, the culture, they actually lessen that risk under scarcity.
Wait, what? The cliques are asterisk good in this scenario.
In a way, because if you have two big opposing tribes, they can reach a kind of stalemate. A balance. It's more stable than a free-for-all with hundreds of selfish, learning individuals. The tribes internalize some coordination.
My head is spinning. So under scarcity, diversity and learning are bad, but tribalism is slightly less bad. What happens when there's plenty of resources?
The equation flips completely. When capacity is abundant, those same ingredients, diversity and learning, drive system overload down to nearly zero. The agents can afford to be smart and individualistic without harming the whole.
But then, ironically, tribe formation makes things slightly asterisk worse in abundance. Maybe because they create artificial bottlenecks or in-groups that hoard even when there's enough.
So the takeaway is, whether smarter AI agents are a net positive or negative, for the system depends on one simple thing.
One single knowable number, the capacity to population ratio, how much resource you have divided by how many agents need it. If that number is low, scarcity, sophistication hurts. If it's high, abundance, sophistication helps.
And this is something we can, and must, calculate before we deploy these populations of agents into the real world. It's not about making them individually brilliant. It's about engineering the collective environment.
That is a profound shift in thinking. We can't just ship a brilliant AI agent and assume it will play nice with others. We have to design the playground, the rules of the game, first.
Exactly. More sophisticated is not automatically better. The context is everything.
And if we ignore this, we risk building systems that are brilliantly intelligent and collectively catastrophic.
Wow, okay. I need to sit with that for a minute. Thank you both, JJ, Jiyoung, for climbing this ladder of complexity with me. This gives us all so much to think about.
Thank you, Isabel. Always enlightening.
Thanks for having me. Let's hope the developers are listening.
To everyone watching, thank you. We'll see you next time.